Okay, setting up the ATEM situation here. Let's start with the Restream. Here on the desktop there's a shortcut. Update titles is right here. Right now it says Sunday service, so I'm going to say instead test 5. Go make it test 6. And I'm going to say testing. I'm going to do update all. So that's here. Right here is the shortcut for the ATEM software controller. If you ever need to save the startup settings, that's here. Save startup state. You can see right now our program is live as camera 3 and camera 1 is on preview. This says we're on air, but we're not. This will be our live stream setup, so it's under the output tab. And Restream IO. Server is auto detect. We're streaming at medium quality. We are going to get an upgrade for Comcast when we might be able to move up to streaming high, but for right now, streaming quality medium is what we want. I could press on air and get us going, but I'm going to not do that. Another important tab is this one, palettes. So a couple of important things here. The main thing is downstream keys. So it should be fill source camera 4, key source camera 4. This pre-multiplied key should be off, and the clip should be set at 7%. If it's too high or too low, then we have issues with black showing through pictures or the camera's not being able to show through. So that's supposed to be, and then gain is all the way up to 100%. Right here is the key. If this is blank, then we won't be able to go on air. So what I do to get the key in there is I go over here. It's this one. For a dashboard for Restream. And RTMP settings. And then I copy that with Control C. Then I go back over to here and I paste it with Control V. Now we're ready to go. Now before we start the service, I'd like us to be on the Restream website. That way when we hit the on-air key, we will be able to see it show up. Okay, I'm going to hit the on-air, test this to make sure it works. So I'm hitting it right now. So that should be what happens. You can see it's the Facebook is flashing online, and the YouTube was saying trying to do it, but now it's on. So they're both flashing online, so we're good to go. And now I'm going to press off air on the switcher. And our stream ends.